B.
B for?
Bat in the ball.
Okay, that's yours. What's this?
N.
N for?
F for a net.
Okay.
Hooray.
Hooray. What's this for?
U for a unicorn.
Oh, good job. What number is this?
8.
What letter is this?
A.
A for?
A.
A for?
A for apple.
Good job. What number is this?
2.
Good job. What letter is this?
D.
For?
Duck.
Good job. What letter is this?
E for a elephant.
Good job. What letter is this?
V.
For?
A. Lion.
Good job. What letter is this?
I.
I for?
I for a ice cream.
Good job. What letter is this?
P.
P for?
A pen.
Good job. What number is this?
3.
What letter is this?
Y.
For?
Rabbit.
Y?
Why for yo.
Good job. What letter is this?
M.
For?
Monkey.
What number is this?
6.
Good job. What number is this?
4.
Good job. What letter is this?
F. Hooray.
X for?
F for a pineapple. Hooray.
Good job. What letter is this?
L.
L for?
Lemon.
What letter is this?
H.
H for?
H for a hat.
What letter is this? Josh? Josh?
J for dog.
Good job. What letter is this?
I
Josh?
Camel.
Josh, what letter is this?
I hear camel.
Okay, what letter is this?
I hear movie.
Okay, we gotta play this first. What letter is this?
What's that for?
What letter is this?
It.
For?
Flower.
Good job. What letter is this?
W.
For?
For water.
Good job. What letter is this?
Q.
For?
Women. For queen.
Good job. What letter is this?
T. T.
T for?
Tray.
Good job. What letter is this?
R.
For?
Rainbow.
Good job. Oh, what number is this?
6.
No, what number is this?
6.
This is 6? Are you sure?
5.
Okay, good job.
What is S for?
What letter is this?
No, what is S for?
You want to do S? Okay. What letter is this?
S.
For?
Snake.
Good job. What letter is this?
K.
For?
Koala.
Good job. What letter is this?
1.
Oh, no, number. This is number?
The number.
Okay.
What is C for?
What number is this?
What is C for?
You want to do C? Okay. What is C for?
What is C for cow.
Good job. What number is this?
No.
Good job. What is this?
O.
For?
Orange.
Oh, good job. What number is this?
Isn't that O?
It's also?
It's also it's O.
It's a 0.
It's what is O?
Okay, it's O. What letter is this?
D.
For? G for?
It's all letter.
I know, G for. What's G for?
D for giraffe.
Good job. What letter is this? What letter is this?
Z.
Z for?
Z for a zebra.
Good job. What number is this?
7.
Good job.